Hi, my name is Kaylee and I'm going to show you how I made a fun sign for my bathroom. We moved into our home in August and our basement bathroom off of our bar is pink, so I decided to go with a flamingo theme. We'll be using HTS Pattern Adhesive for this project. So for this design, I went into my Cricut design space, clicked images, searched flamingo, and chose one that I liked. I then selected the image and clicked the Insert Images button on the bottom right. I first adjusted the flamingo for the size that I wanted. I planned to put this on the glass of an 8x10 frame. I decided I wanted two flamingos facing each other, so I copied the original, then flipped the second image so that the birds were facing each other. Then I attached the two flamingos so they stayed the same size and I could adjust their size together accordingly. I wanted to add a funny phrase that coordinates with the theme of the basement, so I googled some ideas and saw "Let's get flocked up." I thought it was funny, so I went with it. I actually liked the font that came up automatically, so I just used that. I moved the writing to be centered under the flamingos, then attached the letters to the images. This makes transferring the design all together much easier. Attach also cuts exactly how it appears on your design space. Now I am ready to make it, so I click the Make It button. Next, Design Space sorts the project into mats. Since I attached it, it will all line up exactly how I want it to cut. For this type of vinyl, I chose premium vinyl as my material settings. Then I let my machine cut. Once the machine has cut, the next step is to weed the project. So this means taking out all the extra pieces of vinyl that are not part of your design. The next step is to lay out transfer tape onto the design so that I can transfer it onto the glass. Once the image is put onto the transfer tape, I then lay the glass on top of the transfer tape just to make sure I can align things properly. I use my scraper to press down the image onto the glass and to make sure that there are no bubbles. Now that the image is on the glass, I now just need to assemble it into my frame. Now my project is complete. I'm just going to add a white piece of cardstock behind the image in the frame. Thank you for watching today.
More tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.